idea, get over that bar. So I'm going to teach you my tricks, my secrets, my tips on how to get over that bar. We'll try and get one up first, and we'll go from there. Alright, we can get up. Alright, now with the muscle up, 2 ingredients for muscle up really are dips and pull-ups. If you're learning to muscle up or you're trying to muscle up, dips, pull-ups, essentially them join together as muscle up. So if you can't dip or you can't pull up, learn them first. Now this technique we're going to try and teach today, it might help you up in one day, it might take months. Big thing is don't give up. And on the muscle up kind of sequences, we can kip, which is kind of flowing through, we can be strict, which is not letting the body move. Today I'm going to teach you in between. So a bit of movement through the elbows, a bit of movement through the shoulders, a bit of movement through your hands. Alrighty, so all we need is a box. Use this box. Now the box is more so timing. When we're muscling up, when we're trying to get up and over the bar, again, it's like a pull-up. When you're pulling, you're going straight up. We're trying to get around. So we want to get our body around the bar. I always think of like climbing a fence or a gate. What I'm trying to do is figure out how much timing we've got. Every time I come down, I'm just going to pull myself back up. This is what you want to try and work on first. So find yourself a box. You can come down, come up. Because this will teach you your timing on where to go. You'll notice my arms don't go dead straight. I don't lock out. If I lock out, I'm losing my lats. I'm losing my rear delts. And I'm gonna make it hard for myself. We're gonna try and get up. Again, we're gonna shoot down. And using a band is quite a good benefit. How I use a band is using it like think of like a slingshot. You pull back, you let go, and it comes down. That's your pullback point. And again, it's going to teach you more timing. The hard thing with a band is it restricts your legs. You can't use your legs as much. Going forward, easy if you've got someone out there. If you don't, all we're doing here is launch, up, again, down. Go back to this box technique. When you've got a band in a box, just repeat this exercise. Down, back to the box. But this will help you get up, because a lot of mistake is going too far forward or not going forward enough. Again, this ain't a pull-up, it's not a dip, it's essentially them joined together. Under the bar, look at the bar, get around the bar. Which finally leads me to, get rid of this band, eliminating the box. A lot of people come down and they can't quite get over the bar, and it's not necessarily strength. Majority of it is timing. So once you can get through the box and you can get over, when you take the box up or off, you jump, you look at the bar. Almost as if the box is still there. The timing of it, if you're kipping, if you're strict, timing of getting around the bar is very, very important. So even a couple reps of jumping on, find yourself jumping off. Almost as if... Now we've got a bit of knowledge. Let's see if I can do one go. One more. How many I can do on repeat. Oh, yes, yeah. Muscle ups, your old friend. Oh. Psyched myself out. There we have, we got 6. 6 ain't bad. Whew. Again, my secrets, my tips, my tricks, how I get my clients over these bars. There's multiple ways you can kip, you can be strict. We're kind of in between. Anyway, new week, new workout.